My God.
So we're waiting for dinner tonight.
Fish caught up.
Okay. Can we put them back in there now?
What do you got, Kason?
Catch some?
Oh, we'll feed them their head. Hey, where's their eye at?
They hate the eye.
Ew. Look.
Okay,
He's getting out! He's getting out! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Grandpa, get him! Hurry! 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 Hurry!
Okay.
How big
He climbed on top of somebody else. Look, that one's gonna do it too.
Hold this.
I can't hold it.
You sure to get me?
Hey, now we're got baby one. We're going to the baby one.
They're getting smart.